There are different ways I have found to work well when it comes to sharing the announcement for an event that we are organizing. Usually, one of the ways is passing through the mail, a mail that I've received to invite my colleagues to join an event, and using the different social media icons that are available on my screen. For example, I can choose to share. The easiest one for me usually is WhatsApp. So I just click on the WhatsApp icon that's there on the screen. Once click on that, it takes me directly to my WhatsApp page, and I can choose. I'll start from my status. I select my status on WhatsApp. I can choose to share with other colleagues. I can choose to share with different groups that to which I belong on WhatsApp, and then I click on send. I click on send. Once that is done, then I'm sending the announcement already. The message was already prepared well ahead of time for me. Another way I know on my phone, another handle that I use is LinkedIn. So I can just click on the LinkedIn icon, and once it has loaded, it takes me directly to my LinkedIn page. I can just decide if I have a message to share, I can share, or I just decide to click on post. Decide to click on post, and then the message is posted directly on posted successfully. So you can choose to view, and then I just click on come back. When I click on back, it takes me back to the mail, and I can choose to go to Twitter. I click on Twitter. I also have Twitter on my phone. And once you click on Twitter, it will take you to it's taken me directly to my Twitter handle, and I'll just click on tweet. I can decide to change the message, or I still maintain. That is the first way, using going through the mail. Another way I have found to be interesting is maybe from my browser. If I click here, Teach to Reach page, or I can go to my browser and just type learning.foundation/teach to reach. Once that is done, this is the announcement page for Teach to Reach Connect 5. So once that is done, if I scroll down, I'll wait for the pages, the icons to share to appear. Once they're there, you can start the whole process again. You can choose WhatsApp, by mail, LinkedIn. You can choose to share on Facebook. Facebook is not installed on my phone, so you can choose either to use Facebook or any other social media account. So please go ahead, do not hesitate to share the announcement to our event on your various social media handles.